Where'd that guy go? Where'd he go? These guys just, they follow me all the way into Kentucky. Sat there all night and are still. And I'm not going to see my son. I haven't seen him since he was 7. I'm waiting. And I've been waiting all these years. He's 18 years old. I'm not going there with people following me, man. Fucking whatever the hell they're trying to do. It's bullshit. They need to introduce themselves and say what the fuck's going on. I'm getting really mad. I'm mad, dude. I mean it, dude. This needs to stop. That's that old guy, see? I don't know. Is that even one of them? I'm not sure. I don't even know. But them guys are. Wait, where'd he go? Burgundy vehicle. Right there. And the black truck. And the little guy way back here. Yeah, I think that's a silver. Well, yeah, silver. I saw there's silver. Yeah. There's silver and gold, and gold one that looks like, well, what's that? Coming out of here. What's going on here, man? That guy, I'm pretty sure, is one of them, yep. I don't understand this. I don't understand. The ducks, at least. I hope I got them, man, because I can't see the damn things. Where the hell are they at? Damn. With all the poles and stuff, don't make it look real pretty, but oh man, we'll get a sky shot of them. Huh. Oh well. One guy was walking, filming me, I think. So I'm filming back. And this weirded me the fuck out. It's just strange. Where'd he go? Oh. Is that the car he's in? Yeah, I think. Let me see. I don't know. I can't tell. You know, it'd be different if they just introduce themselves. Say what the hell they want. And there's a guy with the work truck. Yep. And there's that guy. Yep. Oh, yep. Same ones. Damn. I'll be damned. Look at this shit. I don't know, man. I don't know what the fuck's going on. But, yep, nah, God. Had enough, dudes. That's enough. Gotta go away. I'm taking my son with a bunch of fucking goons that follow me. You know, I don't even know who they are. They won't introduce themselves, but they've been following me for weeks that I know of. Hello.